Hi everyone, what's up? So today we have to learn how to make a easiest drawing on ibispaint. So first of all, take a color of your choice. I take here yellow color because I am making a sunset drawing like this. So we take different three shade of color. Then take a merge brush. My English is not a good, so I'm trying my best. So we take here merge brush and starting merging like this. Merge. After completing merge, I will give a little bit of detail like this. Now fill the bottom side with orange color. I am so nervous because this is my first ever video where I use my own voice. So make a straight line like this and fill a what yaar what the hell is this? Okay, be serious. So you can see there I make a line like this. If you don't want to waste your time, so you can make a duplicate layer of this line, then you can adjust according to you. After completing that line, I take here a circle for making a moon. So I draw there a circle and fill this with white color. Then make a shadow of moon like this. After completing this, simply take a merge brush and merge this. Now I started making a pole. A pole means a light pole. So I take a rectangle, then make a straight line. And add some shadow and light like this. So here now I started making a boat, a small boat, yes. After completing this, you can simply make a duplicate layer of this board and paste where you want. Now I take a tree brush and simply here paste. Now adjust this according to you. Now simply you can add leaves. You can add according to you, like flower, yeah, anything you want. Now I take a new layer and convert normal into add for making a light. You can see there. Now I adjust this. Now I am started adding a small star. You can see in video. Now in the end I add a small birds here because I love to make a bird in my every scenery. You can see in my previous video. So I complete my tutorial video and I really love to share my experience with you all. If you like this, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. That is for today. Bye bye.